The first thing is search network is targeted towards your Google search engine. So any of the things that is happening on the search engine, that is where your ads will be showing up. So the first thing is that in case of search network, it's only about text ads. Because in the search engine ads, you cannot display any of the other type of ads than your text ads. Product listing is completely different. Coming to display network, you have the possibility of showing text ads, image ads, rich media ads, video ads, and also the customized template ads. That is nothing but ad builder, what we saw yesterday. They already have certain templates in terms of the industry format and all. So you have to just make sure that you select it and you have to add the text, the design and everything is already there. So the first thing is that in search network, you can only you target text ads. In case of display network, you can do all those things. Okay. Second thing, in search network, your traffic is relevant or specific. Because end of the day, in search network, what happens? A given user come and type a particular keyword. Based on the keyword only, your ad copy is shown the user. But in case of display network, there is no such thing called they have to come and type. What is that? You have already defined. For example, you have already defined a given campaign. Whatever keyword is already existing in that campaign, based on the content and understanding of what the keyword is, they will start showing your ad copy on different blog site or information site or any other sites where ads by Google AdSense is running. Okay. So here, but here relevant, here it's not that great or it's not that relevant, less relevant. Why? Because here it is mainly for branding or visibility. Okay. Less relevance. Yeah, because you are not the one who is saying, okay, I want to show my ads on a particular person who is looking for certain things. No. It will try to match the keyword that you are targeting, wherever that keyword is being spoken, on that page only your ads will show up. How relevant is that to the user, even you can't tell it. But in case of search engine network, the question over here is when someone is looking for health insurance, then you know that I have to pop up with my health insurance related keyword and ad copy. So here the results are very relevant. Whatever the user is looking for, he is finding almost the same relevancy. But in case of this, it is not decided by the user, it is decided by the Google AdSense program. Second thing is, the branding or the visibility is very high in case of display network, because the moment you go live with the display network, your ads are pushed to the complete display network audience, like where, like who are the display network first of all? Display network audience are nothing but, or the site are nothing but those who are the partner, who are the third party partner of Google. So the question over here is, here your ads are just pushed to millions of websites who are being a part of the AdSense program of Google. Now there is no control here, and here the visibility is high. But again the same thing, here the reach is also very high, but relevancy is less. But here you get your ad shown up on the specific results, and the reach or the visibility is completely based on what is that? How relevant is your ad copies and everything. The next point is here when you go, you always bid less. The max CPC is always less. Whatever the bid price you put over here is less. Here is completely competitive. Why you put less? Can you tell me?
Max CPC?
Yes.
Less.
Yes.
Less than
the search network. If you are bidding your map for a given keyword at 10 rupees, here you will bid at 5 rupees or 4 rupees. Why?
Because that is not relevant. No? So it depends on.
Yeah. Why we are bidding at a lower price than to the search network? Because here your website, your ads are thrown to millions of websites who are being a part of the Google AdSense program. So if you are bidding at a higher value and if your ads are literally clicked by a lot of audiences, you spending away the money within a fraction of hours or a given day would be much more higher than how you would be spending over here. Because here it's completely based on the relevance. If someone is typing this keyword, then only the ad copy shows up. But in case of this, it is not the same.
It's just for impressions.
Yes, it's just impressions.